Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, welcome to my channel Engineering Media. You are watching Engineering Media. If you are new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click the bell icon. It will help me a lot, so you never miss any new updates. Today we are going to discuss about water resources engineering. What is water resources engineering? Water resource engineering is a specific kind of civil engineering that involves the design of new systems and equipment that help manage human water resources. A water resource engineer may then oversee the construction and implementation of these systems to ensure that they are properly assembled. What does water resources engineer do? Water resource engineer develop new equipment and systems for water resource management facilities across the country. The systems that water resource engineers create ensure that citizens are provided with a continuous supply of clean, uncontaminated water for drinking, living, and recreational purposes. Tasks of water resources engineering. Water resources engineering also deals with sewer systems for storms and wastewater, irrigation network, river engineering, including ice-covered rivers, hydraulic structures, including dams, spillways, floodways and reservoirs, seepage control, hydrology, floods, flow of mud and debris, wave analysis. Where does a water resource engineer work? Water resource engineers spend most of their time in an office looking over data and designing new water resource management systems. However, part of the workday may be spent at construction sites, allowing the engineer to oversee the construction of their designs. They may also find themselves in more industrial environments when supervising maintenance on advanced equipment. Some water resource engineers choose to travel abroad to participate in large engineering projects. Most water resource engineers work full-time, with many putting in more than 40 hours a week. This extra time allows them to properly oversee projects and assure that everything is running smoothly. What is the job demand for water resource engineers? The number of open positions for water resource engineers is projected to grow 20% in the next 10 years, which is faster than average. Infrastructures are constantly aging, requiring repair and rebuilding. In addition, a growing population and continual strain placed on our water resources will demand more water resource engineers to create new and more efficient systems. What are the education requirements to become a water resource engineer? Water resource engineers are expected to obtain a bachelor's degree at minimum. Some states also demand that you attend an ABET-accredited program to help with the licensure process, a requirement for all engineers. Obtaining licensure usually involves passing the Fundamentals of Engineering (FE) exam, then becoming a civil engineering intern or an engineer in training (IT) for a designated amount of time. The exact requirements for obtaining licensure vary from state to state. Many water resource engineers go on to pursue their master's degrees. In fact, 1 in 5 civil engineers pursue higher education. This not only increases chance of hire, but also increases the possibility of landing a higher paying management position. Hydraulic engineering. Hydraulic engineering consists of the application of fluid mechanics to water flowing in an isolated environment, pipe, pump, or in an open channel, river, lake, ocean. Civil engineers are primarily concerned with open channel flow, which is governed by the interdependent interaction between the water and the channel. Civil engineers play a vital role in the optimal planning, design and operation of water resource systems. Job opportunities in hydrology and water resources are quite varied. Positions are available in large and small consulting firms, and at all levels of government, municipal, provincial and federal. Particularly in Quebec, due to its abundant water resources, hydrology has played an important role in the social and economic development of the province. Groundwater engineering. Groundwater engineering, another name for hydrogeology, is a branch of engineering which is concerned with groundwater movement and design of wells, pumps, and drains. The main concerns in groundwater engineering include groundwater contamination, conservation of supplies, and water quality. Thus we are come to the end of this session. For more updates, kindly subscribe my channel. If you have any suggestions regarding my channel, kindly comment in the comment section. You can also request your searching contents, that I can make that in my next video.